He is broken. Yeah, I feel like I'm stuck in the game though because like I can't I can't beat the like nightmare stuff. I wonder if I should just go back to playing on my second account because I have Lily on that one. Yeah, I don't know if I'm just like in that part of like a game where like you just have to grind for a bit, but I'm just like, damn, I cannot clear that shit to get better, like the relics or whatever. The modules. I also pulled like a bunch of characters that are like actually good. Like I pulled Messiah and then I pulled that one guy that has like the hood or whatever. The shells are the most broken upgrades. I mean, it seems like it if you think about it, because like they have passive stats as well as like the set stuff.